All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 long wheelbase mid-roof with 27,000 miles, power windows, power door locks. It's got power mirrors, backup camera, AM FM stereo system. Looks pretty good. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper does have a cracking here and here. We're gonna call it 1-3, about 6 inches. Here we got another one. Looks to be about 4 inches right there. Other than that, we look pretty good. Your hood looks pretty nice. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger, front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread is over 7/32. This door looks pretty good. Does have a heavy scratch right there. This quarter has a dent here with some paint off, about 3. Another one, a heavy scratch there, about 3. Another little one there, about 2. Here's your rear passenger rim. Tire thread. Rear driver's tire thread. Just over 7/32. Set the line over it. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. You jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Of course, you got your AM FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. Switch instrument clutch. It looks like you see no lights on. It's the tire pressure, and then there's mileage of 27,492. Pretty much completes the tour. AC controls. Looks good. Looks good. Keep it moving. Here we do have some scuffing, as you can see it there. Some more scuffing on the back bumper. Does have a dent there, as you can see it. Boom. And a couple more things and dents here. And this door's got a little button here. Opens that all the way. Likewise on this side. Boom. This is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice, big, spacious. Does have some things here in the wheel wells. Likewise over there. This door looks pretty good. We do have a couple of dents right there and some more, and a cracking there. And this is due to overstuffing this, overloading it, and then trying to push the doors to close it. All right, this door looks pretty good. We go get a ladder, go up on the roof. All right, and we're back on the ladder. Got a little dent there, as you can see it. And on this roof, we do have a dent here and a dent here, and those are 2 lines that go straight out and out to like almost the front of the van, but not quite to the front. That's about it. Back there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel, and your tire thread is just over 7/32. This door does have a few scratches, dings, and dents. So you can see some reflections coming up from the sides. Got some heavy scratching. One here, dent there, heavy scratch up here, stuff like that. So of course your side cargo area and what that looks like, very nice. This door looks pretty decent. Here's the front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim or steel wheel. And your tire thread. Over 7/32. Lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 long wheelbase mid-roof with only 27,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.